Good morning.
Good morning, children. Good morning.
Good
How are you all?
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you
Good
all?
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
For all the children, big good morning. Okay, now I will not say one again and again. All of you, very good morning. Okay. So how are you all?
Good morning. Fine,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am. Fine, ma'am.
Fine.
Fine, ma'am.
Yes.
Fine.
Now can you hear me properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes,
can
ma'am.
you see me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. All of you had breakfast?
No, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
I hope all are fresh and ready to learn new
Yes.
lesson. Is that yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
can see.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Now can you be ready?
Yes.
Can you see
Just
me?
pay attention. Yes, Ridvi.
Can you
Okay.
see me?
Yes. And all the children, when I ask you, you will be answering. After that, you have to mute. Okay. Mute so that there will not be any disturbance for everyone. Okay. Now please mute. Okay. So I can see some children, they have taken bath and they are very fresh. Have you taken bath?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, some children,
Yes,
they have taken
ma'am.
bath and some children, they are going to
Yes,
after the
ma'am.
class. After taking bath or before getting ready the class, what you will do? You will look in the mirror, yes?
Yes, ma'am.
And you will see, oh, comb your hair and make fresh all makeup and all because you are going to see all your friends and all, yes?
Yes.
Okay, so whose image you are looking there? Your image, yes?
Yes. Yes.
It will be same.
you.
You can see your face clearly there.
Yes. I can hear you. Yes. For ma'am, distracted.
So all the children, before coming to the class, you are looking to the mirror and you are seeing your image and how the image is same like you. Yes? Aditi can see the face of Dia on the mirror? No. Aditi will see whose face? Aditi's face. Yes? Dia will see Dia's face. Felix will see Felix. So same. So children, we are going to, when you see, look in your mirror, you are seeing your image and this image is called reflection. This image is called reflection. So we are going to learn today reflection and symmetry. Chapter 1.2, reflection and symmetry. So what did I say? When an object is placed in front of a mirror, we see the image and the image will be exactly the same as the object. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. You will see the image as the same as the object. So this image is called reflection of the object. Okay, reflection of the object. When you are showing the image in front of the mirror, one doll or something, you can see the reflection of the doll on the mirror. Yes?
Yes.
If you are showing some other like water bottle or pencil or something, you can see that image. And this image will be same exactly like the object. Understood what is reflection? When you look in your mirror, you can see your image on the mirror. That image is called reflection. Sometimes you can see reflection on water, oil and shiny surfaces. Have you heard that one story? I think we have, all of you are familiar with this story, that one lion, king of then he looked into the well and he saw his reflection on the water, on the well? What he did? What he was
Jumped into the
jumped
well.
into the well. Yes, he jumped into the well. Ah, very good. You remember this story? Very good. Very good, Felix. Okay. So jumped into the river because he saw his reflection on the
Not
water.
reflection.
Water.
Water.
Ma'am, not
Okay.
reflection. Not reflection. He see other. But he thought it was his enemy.
Okay, Felix. Okay, Felix. Please mute. Okay. It's not because he is thinking that is another king, but he actually saw his own image. Yes. He actually, that lion actually saw his own image on the water, not on, but he thought that is another
Yes.
king. That's what happened. We cannot say he saw another king or lion on the water, but he thought that it's another because he was not that much brilliant like Felix. Yes. Okay. So what happened? Actually, the lion saw his reflection. That means we can see the reflection on water. Yes, water sometimes we can see in the oil. Oil also we can see. And when you see, go to some mall or your own houses, if there is polished, very well polished and white surfaces like tiles and all, you can see the image on that polished surfaces. Yes. If the floor is very white and very clean,
I
you can see sometimes reflection on these surfaces. So where all we can see the reflection on the mirror, water, oil, and shiny surfaces. Shiny surfaces. That's why when you go to some big malls and all, we can see the reflections. Yes, on the polished, because that surfaces are very shiny and polished. So what we have learned today now, it's when an object is placed in front of a mirror, an image is formed. So that image is called, what is that image called?
Reflection.
That image. So when an object is placed, in front of a mirror, we see the image, and this image is called reflection. Where we can see this reflection? We can see the reflection mirror, surfaces. Okay. Hyra, check your audio device. I think all the children can hear me. Mayuk, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
All the children can hear me.
Yes,
Maybe Hyra, there is some network issue. Please check the device, audio device or network connection. Okay. Okay, children, please mute. If you are muting, it's very easy to, all the children, they are learning faster. Or if all of you say something, nobody will understand. Okay, Glenn, can you please mute? Tanvi,
Okay,
Sarah, please mute. So we were learning what is reflection and where we can see this reflection. And next we can see that is symmetry. See some objects, when we divide into two parts, we will get exactly identical parts. When we divide, for example, butterfly, when you make a line in the middle, you can see that is one identical parts, exactly the reflection of the same. So that line is called line of symmetry. And if you can see one or two lines of symmetry, that shapes are called symmetrical shapes. Okay, symmetrical shapes. Some pictures we cannot divide. We will not get any line of symmetry. That objects are called asymmetrical. Okay, I'm going to share the screen. All the children, please pay attention. Okay, then only you will understand everything. Now, Navneet, please mute, and Felix, please mute and sit properly. Please keep your camera position straight. Don't need to rotate. We are not learning rotation now. We are learning symmetry. Okay, symmetry and reflection. Okay, now please, I want all the children to be very attentive and look at the board. Okay. Siddhi, can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is written on the board?
Reflection and symmetry.
Reflection and symmetry. Okay, reflection and symmetry. Not symmetry, symmetry. Okay, reflection and symmetry. Okay, so
Cemetery.
not symmetry, children. Symmetry. Okay, please pay attention. We don't have time to waste, children. Reflection. Okay, so when an object is placed in front of a mirror, I told you, no, you are looking in your morning in front of mirror, you can see your image, and that image is called reflection. Like that, when an object is placed in front of a mirror, we see its image in the mirror. This image is called reflection. This image is called reflection. Glenn, look at the board. Don't look down. And I have shown you some letters and its reflection on the mirror. Okay, look at letter C. And when you look, keep this in front of the mirror, you will get exactly how you will get. And this is a reflection. That is the image. And this dotted line, that is called line of reflection.
Line of
Who cannot see the board?
Hira.
Hira, I told you, know, there is some network issue. I see the Sarah, can you see the board? Line of reflection.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
So
Yes,
all the children can see there will be some network issue. Okay, Hira. So this is the reflection, and this line is called line of reflection. And how you can see N on the mirror? This opposite, it will start the opposite way. And this is also called the line of reflection. And look at letter R. Look at letter R. How you can see the mirror image? It's starting the opposite. Understood? And this line is called line of
Reflection.
Danvin,
Line of reflection.
Danvin, can you see the board clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Which are the letters you can see on the board?
CNR.
R.
CNR.
C and letter C, and you can see its reflection, that is its image, and N, the reflection, the image starting from the opposite way. And what is this also?
Can I say
and
something?
this dotted
Opposite
line,
star.
and this dotted line is called line of
Reflection.
Okay. So now you are learning what is symmetry. When a line divides a shape into two parts, where both parts are reflections of each other. Children, look at the board. I will show you one example. I have drawn one heart. Okay. And when a line divides, I am going to draw a line. All the children, please pay attention and look at the board. This, when a line divides the shape into two parts, both parts are reflections, means they are same. The one part will be the identical. It should be identical. Okay, children? Identical parts. That means both parts should be same. So you can, and this is called line of symmetry.
Line of
This
symmetry.
line of symmetry and line of symmetry. And this shape, this shape we can say this is a symmetrical object. Symmetrical shape. Now you can see like letter A.
Symmetrical shape.
A. If I make one vertical line, this is a line, divides the shape into two identical parts. And this line is called, again, we can say that is line of symmetry. And this A, what is this A? Symmetrical shape. This is a symmetrical shape. Okay, children. Now look at this rectangle. Okay, the same A, make horizontal. Are they same? No. So this is not symmetrical. But when we same shape, when you divide using a vertical line, that becomes a symmetrical shape. And look at this shape, rectangle. Okay, now this is rectangle. Can I divide using a horizontal line?
Yes.
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 Because both this line divides the part into two identical parts. So this is a line of symmetry. Now check whether I can make one vertical line also.
Then it will be divided by squares everywhere.
Vertical line. Can we make vertical line also?
Yes.
Yes. See, here we can make a horizontal line. Here we can make a vertical line. So this rectangle has two lines of symmetry. Two lines of symmetry. This, and what about this heart?
One line.
Can I make like this? Can I make like this?
No.
No, this is wrong. But I can make one line of symmetry. I can make one line of symmetry. It should be in the middle, okay?
Vertical.
I can make. So this is vertical line of symmetry. Okay,
Vertical
now
line of symmetry.
what about square?
Vertical and horizontal.
Two lines
You
of
can make
symmetry.
vertical line.
You can
You
work
can make
line of
horizontal
vertical
line.
and horizontal line of symmetry.
only this much. After this class, you cut a piece of square paper and check whether you can make this line and this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So here we have four
Yes.
lines of symmetry. Okay, children, this is a homework. This is a homework. After this class, you will cut two pieces of paper, one in the rectangle shape, one in the square shape. Okay, and find out how many lines of symmetry for rectangle and how many lines of symmetry for square. Understood?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I say something?
Who want to speak?
Felix,
Okay, Felix. All others, please be silent. Yes, Felix.
if I want to speak something. If we show the letters in the mirror.
Mirror.
For example, school. We will
Cool.
when we show the letter school in the mirror, it will show some strange words.
Strange
Inside.
words, yeah.
Yeah.
That will be there. That they are showing its image now. So find out some letters. Okay, you can write some letters like P, Q, R and all. And after this class, you have to show this image, object in front of the mirror and find out how you are getting the image or how you are getting the reflections. Okay, Felix? After this class, if it is possible, all the alphabets, you can take all the alphabets A and some. So 1 minute. Who is calling? 1 minute. Let me speak. Okay. Then I'll give you time. Yes, Juvan. Yes. Tell me what's.
We will take one square half. We just keep it into the it will reflect the square, same square.
But I said line of symmetry. Line of symmetry. Which line? Take the line and divide and find out how you can make symmetrical half. Like that. Okay, children. I'm going to share the screen again. Please mute and. Who is having doubt?
We can have the circle, right?
Circle, yes.
Ma'am, we can have the triangle.
Vertical circle will get many lines of symmetry. Find out, okay? Okay, please children, please mute and we are going to share the screen again. Okay, children. So I was showing line of symmetry and so symmetrical shapes with one or more line of symmetry are called symmetrical shapes. And I have shown you many examples. See, I'm showing one letter H. All children, please check if I can divide. Can I divide with vertical line?
No.
No.
Felix, put your glass properly and check whether it's same.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we can see one identical part, one over here, one part here, and another part to same. So this is a vertical line of symmetry. And check whether we can make one more horizontal line. Is it possible?
No.
H.
No.
Children, check.
Yes, ma'am.
Before saying no,
Yes,
please
ma'am.
check.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Yes.
Yes.
So, letter H, we have vertical line and horizontal line of symmetry. So, vertical line and horizontal line of symmetry. So, shapes with one or more lines of symmetry. Here we have one line, two lines. So, here we have two lines of symmetry. And for square, I show you, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 lines of symmetry for square. And for circle, we have many. We have many. If you do like this, many.
Ma'am, what
Many
about
lines of symmetry we
triangle?
have, like. And for
Ma'am, triangle.
Triangle.
triangle,
Only
check.
vertical line.
We can have only one line of symmetry. That is vertical line. Now same triangle. Check. Can I make horizontal? No.
No.
Because
No,
look at the
ma'am.
shape of the part on the top and part on the bottom. They are different. Now,
Excuse
check
me,
what
ma'am.
is asymmetrical.
Other half of triangle.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Horizontal line.
Taking now, Felix, what's your doubt? I will give you
Ma'am,
time after some
I
time.
have a doubt.
Shapes with no line or symmetry
Okay.
are called asymmetrical shapes.
Okay, shapes
Ma'am.
with no line of symmetry are called asymmetrical shapes. Shapes with no line of symmetry are called symmetrical shapes. Now I will draw one. Tanvi. Tanvi. Is this letter Q? Is this symmetrical or asymmetrical? Huh? Can we divide this into two equal parts?
No.
No, this is different. Or here also if I do like this? No. It is asymmetrical. What is this? Asymmetrical. Okay. Now I will show you some symmetrical shapes. I will show you some symmetrical shapes. Please check. Okay, you can see one here, one apple over here, and this line. What is this line called?
A line of
Line of
symmetry.
line of
Symmetry.
Look at the spelling properly, children. Line of symmetry. And look at
Line
this
of
arrow.
symmetry.
This also we have vertical
Line
line.
of symmetry.
Vertical line of symmetry. Look at this butterfly.
Line
Look at this butterfly.
Line of symmetry.
Yes, we can see line of symmetry, and these shapes are called symmetrical shapes. Look at this heart. You can see
Symmetrical shape.
exactly.
Symmetrical shape.
What about okay? This ladybug, you can see symmetrical shape. And what about this house? Okay, the flower. All these are symmetrical shapes. Why this called symmetrical shapes? Why it is called symmetrical shape, Niranjan?
Because
Only Niranjan.
Because it does only.
Why it is called a symmetrical? Because we can divide this shape. Yes. We can divide this shape into two identical parts. We can divide this into two identical parts. For some shapes, we have one line of symmetry. For some shapes, we have two lines of symmetry. Aditi, can you say one shape with two lines of symmetry?
ma'am, square.
Square has two. Only two? Square has how many?
Ma'am, 4.
Four.
Four.
Can you say with one shape with the two lines of symmetry?
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Very good. Okay. Rectangle have here rectangle. We have vertical line and Isha, can you say what are asymmetrical shapes? Asymmetrical shapes with no lines of symmetry. That means we cannot divide the shape into identical half. We can divide, but if the two parts are not identical, if they are not same, they are not symmetrical. Okay, I will show this.
They are called as symmetrical.
Okay,
Ma'am.
symmetrical shapes. So I am going, look at the board. Okay, the same picture, how it is symmetric and asymmetric. Now look at the first picture. We can see one signal, that traffic signal sign, and this is symmetric because this line divides the shape into two identical parts. But when we do horizontal line, is this symmetrical? No, this up is different and here is different. So what is this called? Asymmetric. What is that? Asymmetric shape.
Symmetric.
So when you can,
Asymmetric shape.
this shape we can make symmetrical shape by using vertical line, and this same shape when it is horizontally divided, that is not symmetrical. So that is called asymmetric. Asymmetric.
Asymmetric.
Okay. Did you understand what is symmetric
Excuse me, ma'am.
and asymmetric?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
So
ma'am.
what is
Yes,
symmetric?
ma'am.
Shapes with one or more lines of symmetry. Shapes with one or more lines of symmetry is called symmetrical shape.
Symmetrical shape.
Shapes with no line of symmetry is called
Asymmetric.
shape.
Asymmetric.
Asymmetric shape.
Shape.
A line of symmetry, when a line divides the shape
Into
two identical parts, or we can say where both parts are reflections of each other, that line is called line of
symmetry.
Okay. Manas, can you please unmute and say what is symmetrical shapes?
Ma'am, it's divided.
Yes, Manas. Manas, please unmute and say what are symmetrical shapes? Shapes with who is able to say? Who can say faster? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Who can say fast? Shapes with
The shapes with one
or more lines of symmetry. Okay, who said the answer? Siddhi. Very good. Excellent. Children, how we can say symmetrical shapes? Shapes with one or more lines of symmetry. Shapes with one or more lines of symmetry is called
asymmetric.
symmetrical shape. Symmetrical. Shapes with no line. No line means
Ma'am,
no line of
Felix is
symmetry
playing
means
with his
asymmetrical
device.
shape. Okay. So
Felix
the
is
line.
playing with his device.
Felix.
I'm not playing.
Okay, please be very attentive in the class. Okay, we are learning new terms: symmetrical shapes, line of symmetry. So what is line of symmetry? When a line divides the shape into two identical parts. This line is called line of symmetry. Line of
Symmetry.
Now, okay. Can anyone say one alphabet with vertical line of symmetry? Who can say? Raise your hand. Vertical line of symmetry. A. Okay. Arpita. Arpita. Another letter. Another letter. Check.
M.
M. Very good. M. Very good. Vertical line of symmetry. Now, any letter with horizontal line of symmetry. Horizontal.
B.
Okay. B. Okay. Yes. H. H has both O. Very good. So did you understand what is symmetrical?
Ma'am, A.
A. A is vertical line. Horizontal line we can use O, E and all. Okay. Now any number. Check the number with horizontal line. 8. 8. Very good. Very good. And any number?
Ma'am, 4. 3. 4.
4. Is it possible? Check. Okay,
Ma'am,
after this
3.
class. 3.
Ma'am,
That's very good.
3.
3. We will get horizontal line of symmetry. Okay, children. Now, I hope you have understood. I will send the notes that you have to write in the notebook.
5.
Now, it's the time to wind up the session. Okay, children. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. See you next week. Bye bye.